So our next topic is diseases due to malnutrition. So what are the diseases that leads to the malnutrition? So if you are not eating a balanced diet, so I have already explained what is balanced diet. The food should contain good amount of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, and even fiber also, which is required for your body. So if you are not taking the balanced diet, this will lead to some diseases. So if you see, 2/3 of the population are suffering due to food related diseases. 2/3 of the world's population are suffering due to food related diseases. Okay, and most of the people and rest of the people are suffering due to excessive intake of high calorie food. Most of the people are suffering due to intake of high calorie food. Okay, so either some people are facing problem due to not knowing what to eat, not knowing about the balanced nutrition, and some are eating high calorie food. What amount of food they needed, instead of that they are taking more amount of food, so they are getting some diseases. So these are the problems. These are the problems due to food. Okay, now first we'll study what is malnutrition. So what is malnutrition and what are the diseases caused due to malnutrition. So first, what is malnutrition? If the food is lacking one or more nutrients, in right amount, needed for your body, lead okay, this is the malnutrition. If the food is lacking one or more nutrients in right amounts needed for your body, causes malnutrition. For example, if a girl is 20 kgs, she needs, suppose she needs 50, a girl of 20 kgs needs, suppose you think 10% of carbohydrates, 40% of, you can have this 60% of carbohydrate and 30% of proteins, then 30% of fat, 60, okay, you can say 70, 20, you can say here 25. Okay. Think that if a girl having 20 kgs needs 60% of carbohydrates, 25% of proteins and 25% of fats and remaining other like vitamins and minerals and fiber. So if she is taking the food in these amounts, it is a balanced diet and it is good for health. But if she is eating food which is lagging in either protein or fat, only she is eating the food containing carbohydrate, then she develops a malnutrition. Suppose if you are eating only rice, so rice contains carbohydrate, you are not eating any curry or any some vegetables or any fruits, you are not taking daily, you are eating only rice, then you will develop malnutrition, because the rice contains only carbohydrate. So your body is getting only carbohydrate. You are not getting proteins, or you are not getting vitamins, and you are not getting fats also. So if you are not taking that things, that proteins and fats, it is causing malnutrition. Okay. So if the food is lagging one or more nutrients in right amounts, which is, it does not mean, it differs with the age and weight of the body. 20 kgs girls needs some percentage, and if myself, I need another percentage. She and me does not have same amounts of food. Okay. She will need, suppose she needs 60% of carbohydrate, I need only 40% of carbohydrate. If she needs 50% of proteins, I need 80% of protein. So that differs upon the body weight and the age of the person. So if you are not taking that food which is needed for the body by your body in right amounts, that will cause the malnutrition. అంటే మీరు తీసుకునే ఫుడ్ మీ ఏజ్ మీద డిపెండ్, మీ ఏజ్ మీ బాడీ వెయిట్. ఇప్పుడు చిన్న పాపకు కావాల్సిన ఫుడ్ తను కరెక్ట్గా తీసుకుంటాను, ఆ ఫుడ్డే మీరు తీసుకున్నారు, తనకి అది సరిపోతుంది, తనకి అది బ్యాలెన్స్ డైట్, కానీ అది మీకు బ్యాలెన్స్ డైట్ కాదు. ఎందుకంటే యువర్ ఏజ్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్ అండ్ యువర్ వెయిట్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్. సో నీ వెయిట్కి సరిపడా ఫుడ్, అంటే నీ వెయిట్కి సరిపడా బ్యాలెన్స్ డైట్ నువ్వు తీసుకోవాలి. ఒకవేళ తీసుకోకపోతే you will develop malnutrition. So in this malnutrition we have 3 types of diseases. First is kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor diseases. Marasmus. Okay. So what are the diseases that we get due to malnutrition? Protein malnutrition. The disease caused due to protein malnutrition is kwashiorkor, calorie malnutrition, and protein calorie malnutrition. So you should remember first these 3 names. So the diseases due to malnutrition is protein malnutrition, calorie malnutrition, protein calorie malnutrition. So what you will study? Now if you see protein malnutrition, it will lead to a disease called kwashiorkor. Okay, protein malnutrition disease leads to a disease, protein malnutrition leads to a disease called kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor. Okay, so what happens in the kwashiorkor? Here the persons eat food which is lagging in protein. If a person is eating food, which lacks protein, then it leads to kwashiorkor disease. Okay, then it leads to kwashiorkor disease. Okay, if a person is eating a food, he is eating, definitely he will eat the food for survival. But if he is eating the food which does not have protein or which have very less amount of protein, then it will lead to a disease called kwashiorkor. So what happens in the kwashiorkor? What are the symptoms of kwashiorkor? Okay, what are the symptoms of kwashiorkor? Poor muscle development. Symptoms. What are the symptoms? First, poor muscle development. Poor muscle development. Next, swollen legs, fluffy face. Next, dry skin. Next, diarrhea. Next, difficulty to eat. So these are the symptoms. Poor muscle development, swollen legs, fluffy face, dry skin, diarrhea and difficulty to eat. Okay, these are the symptoms of kwashiorkor disease. So if a person is eating a food which does not have protein or which has very little amount of protein, it will lead to a disease called kwashiorkor. So the symptoms are poor muscle development, means they will be very thin. They are very thin. Swollen legs. The legs are very swollen. So the legs are swollen because water is accumulated. Because water is accumulated in the intercellular spaces. Water is accumulated in the intercellular spaces, means in between the cells we have spaces. In between the cells we have space. In some type of cells, in between the cells we have spaces. You know that. So in these spaces the water is accumulated. The water is accumulated. That is accumulation of water. What it does if a leg is there? So accumulation of water so what it does, it will swell, means it will make the leg to rise up, means it will make the leg to swollen. That's what we will call it as swollen legs. Fluffy face, means the face will also be swollen. The face will become enlarged. It will be నీరు పడుతుంది, ఫేస్లో నీరు పడుతుంది, లెగ్స్లో నీరు పడుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as fluffy face. Dry skin, the skin becomes dry. Diarrhea and difficulty to eat. These are the symptoms of kwashiorkor. Okay. Next, marasmus. We'll study that marasmus. What is marasmus? Protein, calorie, malnutrition. Protein, calorie, malnutrition will lead to a disease called marasmus. Okay, protein, calorie, malnutrition leads to a disease called marasmus. Here, the food does not have enough protein and enough calories. Just the food will not have enough protein and enough calories. Calorie is the energy. What you know, what is protein? What is calorie? The energy which we get from the food is called as calories. So the food we eat is digested and we get energy. That energy is measured in the calories. If you take vegetables, we will measure in kgs. If you take water, we will measure in liters. So the energy from the food is measured in the calories. Okay. So if the person is taking the food which does not have proteins and which is very less in calories, then that person will develop a disease called marasmus. Generally, it is seen in the first child when the mother immediately becomes immediately gives birth to the second child. సో అంటే ఒక ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ బాబు పుడతాడు, చిన్న బాబు, ఒక జస్ట్ 7-8 months ఉంటాయి. వెంటనే మదర్కి ఇంకో బేబీ పుట్టేశారు, సెకండ్ బేబీ. సో మదర్ విల్ బి కాన్సన్ట్రేటింగ్ ఆన్ సెకండ్ బేబీ మీద కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఈ బాబు ఫస్ట్ బేబీ చిన్న బాబు 9-10 months ఆర్ జస్ట్ 1 year అనుకోండి. సో ఆ బేబీకి సరిగ్గా ఫుడ్ ఇవ్వరు మదర్. అంటే ఏదో పెట్టేసాము, వాడు తింటున్నాడా లేదా చూడరు, వాడు తినరు. సో తినకుండా పాడేస్తాడు. సో హీ విల్ నాట్ గెట్ కెలరీస్ ఎల్లో. ఏదో వండేస్తారు, ప్రోటీన్ ఫుడ్ ఇవ్వరు. సో అలాంటి బేబీస్కి ఫస్ట్ బేబీస్కి దే విల్ డెవలప్ ఎ డిసీజ్ కాల్డ్ marasmus. So generally it is observed in the first child when immediately when the mother gives birth to the second child. So what are the symptoms? What are the symptoms of this disease? So you will have poor developed muscles. So ikkada persons chaala ante chaala thin ga untaru. Poor developed muscles, you have same dry skin, diarrhea, you have dry skin, diarrhea. Next, then they are very weak. Okay, next, these are the symptoms of the marasmus. So the first child have very poor development, means they are very thin, they have dry skin, they have diarrhea, and they are very weak, and they are easily prone to diseases. Ante valki twaraga diseases vastayi. So this is about marasmus. Next, calorie malnutrition. So the third one is calorie malnutrition. In this we will study about obesity. So all of you know about the word obesity. So here what happens, more calories are taken inside the body. మనకు కావాల్సిన ఫుడ్ కంటే ఎక్కువ తింటాం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, క్యాలరీస్, మోర్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ క్యాలరీస్ ఆర్ టేకెన్ ఇన్ టు ద బాడీ. సో ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ ఫుడ్, నీకు సపోజ్ ఒక 15 grams, సపోజ్ యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ 150 grams of food. 150 grams of food is necessary for your body. But what happens, you are taking 300 grams of food. So ఏమవుతుంది, so 150 grams will be utilized by your body for making energy. The remaining extra 150 grams will be converted into the fat and stored in the body. That leads to the problem called obesity. So you are taking excess calories inside the food. The excess calorie is converted into fat and stored inside the body. So that leads to the obesity. So mostly they are seen in the people who follow sedentary life, means they will not do any physical exercise. They will just eat. They will not do some walking or any exercises. So it leads to the obesity. Next, so in this generally it is seen in mostly in children's. So they like junk foods like pizza, burgers. They like to eat that ice creams. So what happens, more amount of calories are going inside the body that are converting into fat, and they are become obese, lava అయిపోతున్నారు. So if that children grow, after growing up, if they are still like that only, if they are obese only, they will develop several problems like diabetes. So diabetes, all of you, what is diabetes? Sugar problem. So and they will develop heart related diseases, kidney diseases. So several problems will develop. Okay, So the obese person will develop several problems because more amount of fat is present in the body, which will destroy your health. So that is about obesity. So these are the diseases of malnutrition: kwashiorkor, marasmus, obesity. Kwashiorkor is due to less protein intake, and marasmus is due to less intake of protein and calories, and obesity is due to more amount of calories. Okay, this is about malnutrition. Thank you.